Good morning, everyone. Today is January 3rd, 2020, and we are going to chant Mujoge this morning. You will see Mujoge on the screen, so please keep watching the screen. Please join me in Gassho. Please put your palms together. Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu.聴衆とう聴せShoya Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu. I wish I was good at chanting Mujoge, but to get better at anything, I think we need to practice. So thank you for allowing me to chant Mujoge with you once a while. And today, I would like to share Wasan song Genshin. So please join me in Gassho. Please put your palms together. 霊山聴衆とおはしける源信僧都の教えには報化二土を教えてぞ専雑の得失定めたると Master Genshin, who was among the assembly that heard Sakyamuni on Vulture Peak, taught the difference between the fulfilled and transformed lands, thereby clearly setting forth the benefit of single praxis over mixed. Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu. So Genshin taught us the difference between the fulfilled land and transformed land of Amida Buddha in Ojo Yoshu. This idea of fulfilled land and transformed land originally appeared on the second volume of the Raja Sutra. But, by the way, it is said the teaching of the Raja Sutra was taught at the Vulture Peak in India. As today's Wasan mentioned, and as I explained a few days ago, Genshin appeared in one of the monks named Koso's dream, and he told Koso that Genshin was originally Buddha, and he was among the assembly at the Vulture Peak. As Shinran Shonin sought for the guidance from Prince Shotoku for visiting Rokkakudo, and he was guided by the dream of Prince Shotoku, message in one's dream meant something really important in Japan around Shinran Shonin's time. So for Shinran Shonin, Genshin appearing in Koso's dream and talking about he was among the assembly at the Vulture Peak meant Genshin listened to the teaching of the Raja Sutra from Sakyamuni Buddha directly. So that is why Genshin introduced the difference between fulfilled land and transformed land in Ojo Yoshu. And Genshin taught us that to attain birth into the fulfilled land of Amida Buddha, the land of the fulfillment of the vows, there is no other way but Nembutsu alone. Because the practitioner of the Nembutsu's Shinjin is genuine, firm, and unchanging mind we receive from Amida Buddha, we all attain birth into the fulfilled land. On the other hand, practitioner of the self-power who practices various sundry practices and the praxis, their Shinjin is not firm and it's changing, which means their Shinjin is not true and real. That is why they will be born into the transformed land. A practitioner of other power Nembutsu receives great benefit, but practitioner of the self-power practices loses great benefit. So this is what Genshin revealed with the teaching of fulfilled and transformed land. And Shinran Shonin will explain more about this in another Wasans we are going to read in a few days. So I will stop the explanation here today, and I hope today's explanation helped. And in closing, please join me in Gassho. Please put your palms together. Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namo Amida Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu, Namanda Butsu. So this will conclude today's morning service, and I hope you will have a great day today. And if you have a chance, please attend today's morning service from 10 a.m. We are going to chant Nembutsu and Wasan, and I will give a Dharma talk on 10 a.m. service too. So if you have a chance, please join us for the service. And if not, I will see you tomorrow. So thank you for attending today's service.